Hope you guys are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss that how to add video and pictures over other video in Canva. So let's start. So first of all, there's a simple method, there's a simple way that you have to write Canva here. After writing Canva, you have to search for the video, any video you want to use, you have to search that. So simply I'm going to search like a promotion video, and then press the enter. So after writing the promotion video, you have to simply click on the category. After the category, you have to click here video, then you have to select the video duration, video ratio. After that, you have to select the video ratio and you have to click here. And here you are going to see some of the promotion videos and use them. For example, I'm going to use this one, or you can, if you want to use this one, you can easily do that. I'm going to click on this. After clicking, you have to click on the customize this template. As you can see, our window is open. Now you can edit the video, you can edit the text, you can change the text and videos and clips, whatever you want. For example, as you can see, here's the pictures and the text and the sneakers, you can change them. As you can see here, we have a text color and text and background color and some pictures. If you want to change them, you can easily do that. So let me tell you that how you can change this. There's a simple and easy method that which if you want to put your logo here, you can do that. For example, I'm going to delete this one, I'm going to upload, and I have a logo, I want to use that. Simply drag the logo here and then reduce the size. I'm going to reduce it and then make it a little bit lower, and here you can easily edit the text. For example, I'm gonna make it, double click on it and then write the smart mouth. Has the heels, like you can edit this text too, you can change the color from here, you can increase the size, font style, and some basic formatting properties are here. After that how you can change these pictures. This is the simple and the easiest way. The simple, what you have to do, you have to simply drag the image here and the image will be automatically adjusted. After that, for example, I'm going to drag this picture here, your image will be automatically adjusted. This is the easiest way that how you can edit or change the image from this. So after this, we are moving to this one, and here also the same process, that here we have a text and here we have some shapes and pictures. So if you want to change this, you can also take from the Google. For example, I'm going to search for the shoes product, press enter and then come into images. If you want to use any other image, you can also do that. You can also replace an image. For example, I'm going to use this one, so right click on this option, let it to be clear. Now this is clear, right click on it and copy image. After copying image, come back to here and then Control V, paste it. So drag this image here. As you can see, picture looks awesome. So now you have to edit the text. Simply you can double click on it and you can edit the text easily. You can write whatever you want. After that, you can change the price and the name too. And let's skim on third page and third part. Here we have the same option. Here we have the same thing, that you have to change the images, you have to change the price, you have to change the name and the product. These are the same method we have applied in the last one. And after that, we have in the last one, we have the same thing, that if you want to change the logo, if you want to edit these things, you can easily do that. You can change the color, you can change their size and all the things you can manage easily. So now how you can download this video? Simply you have to click on the share. After share, you have to click on the download. After download, you have to click on this one, download button. Before clicking on download, you have to make sure that you have selected the video. If you are using a video or if you want to download a video, that always make sure that you have selected the MP4 video format. So after selecting this, now you have to click on the download. Here's the quality option. You can control the quality like 720 pixels, 1080 pixels, you can do that. So click on this download and our video will be downloaded shortly. So I hope you understand this video. So see you in the next video.